I've got the top self-improvement habits that will skyrocket your career success like never before. Welcome back to my channel, and today we will be diving into a topic that I believe is crucial for anyone looking to excel in their career. Whether you're a fresh professional or a seasoned one, cultivating these habits I will be sharing with you today can make all the difference in your career trajectory. Sometimes, what separates you and that person you look up to, that person you admire and want to be like, are your daily habits. What we do on a daily basis or on a regular basis compounds to determine who we are and where we are in our careers and in our lives. So, what self improvement habits should you cultivate as a career professional? Let's get right into it. The first one is continuous learning. In today's fast paced world where industries are constantly evolving and technology is making processes and systems outdated quickly, we need to be 5 steps ahead. To stay ahead of the curve, we need to make learning a lifelong habit. It never stops. Just as organizations continuously look for improvement in their processes and systems, we should too. There is a popular Japanese concept called Kaizen. You must have heard it before. This means continuous improvement. It says that making incremental improvements over time can yield to big results. These small changes could mean taking courses, attending workshops, or simply just staying informed about your industry trend. I want you to know that whether it is reading books, listening to podcasts, or watching informative videos like this one, dedicating time to learning new skills, new knowledge would set you apart from your colleagues. Now, on to the second one, goal setting. Yes. I talk about this a lot. Successful professionals know the importance of setting clear, achievable goals. Whether it is short term or long term aspirations, having a roadmap can keep you focused and keep you motivated for a long time. For example, ask yourself, where do you want to be in 5 years? This is a typical interview question, but you have to answer it yourself. What do you want to have achieved in 10 years? What are your priorities? And how are you setting up yourself to achieve them? Take some time, sit down, and define your goals. And whenever I talk about goals, I like talking about a model I created called the 5 execution model. This basically asks 5 execution questions. Why? Answering this creates a compelling reason for you, which serves as a motivating factor. The second one, when? This compels you to set a time-bound goal. The third one, how? This helps you to think through how you intend to achieve these goals. The fourth one, whose support do you need to achieve the objectives? The fifth one, what resources do you require to achieve the objectives? This could be time, this could be knowledge, this could be skills. By setting clear goals and answering these execution questions, breaking these goals into small actionable steps, setting milestones, that's very important, and tracking your progress will make you more likely to turn your career dreams into reality. And then the third one, time management. This is a skill that is very essential in any career. With so many things and many demands vying for our attention and a lot of distractions everywhere, mastering time management can make your days more productive and less stressful. It can make you have time for personal development. I have a detailed video on this. You can find it here. I'll link it up. So, start by prioritizing your tasks and setting realistic deadlines. Learn to delegate when necessary. And don't forget to schedule in some time to rest and recharge. That is very important. I have found using Google Calendar and Outlook Calendar very helpful. Time is the only resource. Once lost, you can never regain it back. So I treat it like my life depends on it. because it does. And then to the fourth one, networking. Wow, where do I even start with this one? This is very important. It is an important habit or skill, if you want to call it that, you need to scale your career. Have you heard of the concept of 6 degrees of separation? This theory says that any two people in the world can be connected to each other through a chain of acquaintance links of no more than 6 intermediaries. In other words, 6 persons separate me from meeting my favorite guy, Stephen Bartlett, the guy I've come to learn a lot from in the past 6 months. So you are 6 persons away from that person that can make a difference in your career. And this theory highlights for me the interconnectedness of human relationships. Everyone and anyone in the world are connected to each other. And this is why we always say the world is a small place, it's such a small place. And it couldn't be more true in the professional world, too. I have seamlessly and successfully navigated my career because I mastered the habit of building and maintaining relationships within and outside my industry. I am always knowing that the person I am meeting today could be the person that will connect me to that career sponsor that I need tomorrow. So, networking can open doors. You have to learn to do more of this and connect with people within and outside your industry. Attend industry events, join professional organizations. Don't be afraid to reach out to others in your field. You never know where a simple conversation could lead. I run a community of over 260 career professionals called Go Cutters, where we offer support to each other and continue to leverage each other's expertise and experiences. And this is not just to win in career, by the way, this is to win in all the areas that are most important to us and important to our lives. I will put the link to the community in the description below. You can check it out, explore, and see if this is what you want at this point in your career. And then the last one, self-care. I should not forget this one. We cannot put at the back burner our self-care. In the hustle and bustle of every day in our careers, it is easy to neglect our well-being. But remember, taking care of yourself is essential for long-term success. You cannot sacrifice your health, your relationships, your wholesomeness for your career to grow. There is something called the Wheel of Life. This is a powerful tool that gives you a vivid visual representation of the way your life is currently compared with the way you would ideally like it to be. I'll put in the description a Wheel of Life template by Mind Tools, which you can use, to cultivate that self-awareness and create meaningful goals for yourself. It is important that we find activities that help us relax and recharge, whether it's exercise, whether it's meditation, or simply just spending time with our loved ones. Sleeping enough. We should prioritize sleep and nutrition, because a healthy mind and body are the foundation for a successful career. And there you have it. Those are my 5 essential self-improvement habits for career professionals. And remember, no pressure. It's not about perfection. It's about progress. So start today to implement these habits and watch your career grow. As always, if you have found this episode helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on personal and professional development. Thank you.